Hi friends, today's math lesson is about word problems. Now, a lot of times second graders and even older students just want to add the two numbers that are given in the word problem. But you're going to have to think and draw an array to help you figure out these answers. So what else is going to help you is if you follow the problem solving steps. So your first step will be to click play and listen to the problem. Javon's had 3 rows of apples with 2 apples in each row. How many apples does he have in all? So first of all, you need to circle your important numbers 3 and 2 and underline the question, how many apples does he have in all? And the key word in all tells you to add. That's right. So your next step is to draw an array, and then your next step is to write a number model to go with the problem. So you're going to tap your pen to make an array, and we're going to have 3 rows, and rows, as you remember, go across. And there are going to be 2 apples in each row. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 row and then 2 rows and 3 rows. And then you're going to write an addition problem, or if you want to text an addition problem, that would be fine too. So my problem is 2 plus 2 plus 2. And then if you need to, count the dots or add the numbers together, and it equals 6 apples. And these are actually called repeated word problems because you're repeating a number the same amount of times in each row. Let's try another one. Your first step is to tap play and listen to the problem. Mrs. Miller had 3 shelves, and she put 5 books on each shelf. How many books does she have all together? So once again, you're going to circle your important numbers, 3 and 5. Your question, you're going to underline how many books does she have all together? And then all together, those keywords tell you to add. So now I'm going to tap the pen, and if you remember, rows go across. So shelves, like a bookshelf, those rows go across as well. So those are your rows. And then you're going to put 5 books on each shelf. So let's pretend that's one shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's check. I've got 3 shelves. 1, 2, 3, and 5 books are on each shelf. Now you're going to write a number model. So I have 5 plus 5 plus 5, and you can count your books or count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, and label it 15 books. I would like you to go ahead and practice the problems I just did with you, and then you're going to complete the rest of the slides. Make sure your dots are so your teacher can count them and see them. Okay, have fun with this. Repeated addition problems.